Hey friends, so I'm pretty sure that most of you know how to do this, but I wanted to make a quick video just in case you forgot. So instead of using the QR code or the class code to get onto Seesaw, you are all connected through your Google account. So all you have to do is click on I'm a student, click on sign in with Google. And I'm gonna use Han's Google account just so that you all see how to do it. So you're gonna type in the email at ps21queens.org. Don't forget the S. Press next. Put the password, and that's the school bell. Press next. And you can even save it so that you don't have to keep putting it in every time, but I did not save it, Han. And now you are officially into Seesaw, and you can upload things as you go. Thanks, guys. Bye.